cake way over there.
Uncle can't see the cake way over here.
So you can see the one I lit.
Yep.
And you can see that say happy birthday, Terrence.
Happy birthday, Terrence.
Okay, boom.
You're a genius.
Let's try this again. Can we sing? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Terrence. Happy birthday to you.
Can I blow down now?
Yeah, blow it down, son. You gotta do it harder now. Yay!
Can I eat now?
You gotta take a bite with your face. Go ahead, take a bite. Take a bite. Woo! Can't wait to do that one. Yes. Happy birthday, honey.
You having fun? It's up his nose. Don't sniff.
Don't sniff, honey.
Look up his nose. See how much is in there. Okay, it looks like
Can
his
I
eye.
have that cake?
Huh? Yeah, we're gonna have that cake, but first, there you go. Get to work. We're on Speedy birthday for you. You gotta rip it. Use your mighty powers.
Teeny Emmy Zoomy powers.
It's what? What you got? What is that?
Clothes.
Underwear?
Underwear.
Can you show Uncle?
Look, Uncle. Underwear.
Yeah, underwear.
Okay. Here goes the next one. Oh, mommy too fat for this. Woo.
That's going on YouTube.
Huh? Tear it open. Right here. Start right here. What is it?
A toy.
What kind of toy?
A truck.
A truck.
Tonka truck.
A Tonka truck.
Something every boy should never go without.
Okay, show Uncle. You show Uncle
truck.
your Tonka
Tonka
truck.
truck.
Look at my Tonka truck.
Mm-hmm.
Can I?
You got one more. Ooh. Come on.
What can it be?
I wonder what it could be. There you go. I'm gonna start y'all. You got it?
Huh?
Open it. Woo!
I got cars.
You got cars
And a tow truck.
in a tow truck. Show your uncle.
Look.
Wow.
Now look at Uncle and say thank you.
Thank you.
You gotta look at him. Say thank
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your mom bought it for you.
Can I get him out?
you. Sure.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be on. There you go. A little bit of muscle there. That ain't hurt. Mm-hmm.
Let me help.
Oh,
Huh?
whoa.
I
Yes.
got it.
I'm bleeding.
Oh,
What?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
why are you bleeding?
Dusty, get.
So the balloon he got for his birthday,
Get.
that's how long it lasts.
How long that last?
As soon as we came in, he took it to the room
And popped it.
in the ceiling fan.
As it lays here. Rest in peace, dear balloon. Rest in peace. Balloon.
Oh, I need a birthday kit. Oh.
Really, first day kid on the birthday. Don't worry, Terrence. Mommy's okay.